Here's what I eat in a day as a naturopathic doctor. I always start my morning with a big glass of water, which I keep beside my bedside to help to hydrate my entire body and brain first thing in the morning. Then for breakfast, usually I have eggs, maybe it's an omelet, and I often will have black tea or green tea. And if I do have my black tea, then I'll add a little bit of grass-fed cream in there. Now, I usually don't have carbohydrates with my breakfast, but if I do, I usually smother it with lots of grass-fed butter. You can't get enough butter. I may also have protein bars that I make myself with my protein powder, as well as nuts and seeds, tons of fiber, hemp seeds and things in there as well. And of course, then later in the day, in the morning, I'm gonna have my coffee and I add my collagen in there. I do have my water with my vitamins in between my breakfast and my coffee. Now for lunch, I usually have a protein, so whether it's fish, it could be chicken, and usually from organic, again, the best sources that I can find in the moment, and vegetables. And I always eat the vegetables that are in season for the season that I'm in, and of course where I'm at. So at home here in Canada, depending on what is available that is grown locally. Now for dinner, it's very similar. I'll have some veggies. I usually don't have potatoes or pasta and things, but sometimes I do. I always follow the 80-20 rule. So 80% of the time I'm doing well with my diet, 20% of the time I'm either away from home or I can't control my meals as well, or out on vacation and just enjoying what is available to me. Most times I'm having some type of, again, seafood. It could be shrimp. I love to eat a little bit of the shells of the shrimp because it contains the chitin, and chitin is a great source of fiber to help to feed the good probiotics in your gut. So that's a little tip that you can take away from this video, as well as, of course, my dark chocolate. I've got to have a little square of dark chocolate. I love the polyphenols. I believe for myself it has a great anti-aging effect for my skin, but it makes me happy. So I love my dark chocolate as well. So just a little bit every day. And I try to find, again, organic sources of that dark chocolate, 85% and above of that cocoa. And I purchase the brands, of course, that don't have the heavy metal toxins, which of course has come out in the news most recently about, things like lead and cadmium found in dark chocolate. In the evening, I'll have some herbal tea, and before bed as well. I also love making a dandelion coffee, which is great, tastes like coffee, but it's just a herbal type of preparation before bed. And sometimes I'll add a little bit of my grass-fed cream in there, and sometimes a little bit of a natural sweetener like stevia or monk fruit in there. So that's it. That's what I eat in a day. I'd love to hear what you eat as well, so put it in the comments. For more information on supplements you thought were healthy but aren't, please check out my video, 3 supplements you thought were healthy but aren't. I'll see you there.